Hello everyone, Volker here from MSO-dlx, talking about special charts, side-by-side stacked columns or bars in particular. Let's get a practice sheet. The data is selected for a shift click. All right. For a shift click. Turn the access labels off. No. And clear the legend. You see, we have this pattern: Europe, Asia, North America, BMW, Peugeot, Kamaz, Toyota eventually. And usually you don't want to duplicate the entries in the legend. So let's clear the superfluous entries in the legend. Don't rush too fast because Excel is not updating quickly. Now Toyota, the last entry. That's it. No, we don't want to undo. So now I have a basic stacked side-by-side stacked column chart. I can brush up a little bit by deleting the extraneous years. Like this. Looking neat now. The new data table is written, and that's the challenge for the side-by-side stacked column or bar chart. And of course it's linked to the original data, so you may quickly update the chart by pasting new data here. For the data table, I suggest you create the data table with the sorting criterion in the first column so that you can use a shift click and you don't have to select the ranges separately, which is also possible. All right. So if you don't want to have a column chart but a bar chart, use just control click. Now, this time, control click combined with shift click for the grouping criterion in the first column. Turn the axis label off. No. Clear the legend. Yes. And you see what we had as a column chart first, now as a bar chart. I want to show you both. And you see the pattern, the various categories, BMW, Peugeot, Kamaz, with their gradation, their shadings over the various regions, Europe, Asia, and North America. Pretty neat, isn't it? So we'll save you lots of time. I hope you like it. So long, Volker from MSO-dlx.